Ibn Burayda says that Hazrat Abdullah bin Mughaffal radiyallahu anhu saw any of his companions pelt a pebble. He whereupon said, "Do not pelt a pebble, for Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would dislike it." Or he said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would proscribe from throwing stones, for neither a game can be hunted nor an enemy can be injured, rather it dislocates a tooth and sometimes gouges out an eye. After this, Hazrat Abdullah radiyallahu anhu again witnessed him pelting the stone, and he whereupon said to him, "I notified you that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would dislike it, or I notified you that he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would proscribe from pelting stones, but I again watch you pelting stones, so I will not be on speaking terms with you for such and such number of days." Sahih Muslim Hadith number 5023.